I've been trying to think of different ways how to start this video off, and to be honest, I really don't know how. I guess just because it's so different compared to my other videos, and I'm not used to filming one like this. Especially with it being with my brother, it just really hit home for me. It really made me think a lot. I'm just glad he's all right, because God forbid something happened. You know, I love the kid to death. You know, he's my brother. I know I really don't show emotion in that way all the time. I guess it's just a guy thing. It's a brother thing. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Definitely a big impact on his life. It made me think about a lot of stuff. Not even that it's important with the channel, but you know, some big changes are going to be coming with the future uploads now too. If you guys clicked on the video, you probably already know why. I guess I'll say this too. I guess without that truck, my channel wouldn't be where it's at today. You know, my brother and that truck really helped grow my channel. At this point last year, we're a lot bigger than we were, so I owe a lot to that thing. As funny as that sounds. So I guess I'll just let the clips roll, so enjoy. Well guys, it has been quite a while since we've had a Dodge Cummins video uploaded to the channel, and I've been meaning to do an update video since I graduated from school, because my brother has done some stuff to the truck. He did get his new tires, as a bunch of you called him out on, and recently after that there's been some big changes, so I guess I'm just going to pan to it and I'll pass it over to him and he can tell you what happened. So as I stand up, you can tell that the Dodge is not so much in its pretty state anymore. There's some pretty extensive damage. I mean, the most important thing is you're all right.
Walked away without a scratch.
I don't know how. I mean, this is pretty intensive. Truck can be replaced. I'm just glad he's all right. So you want to run him through the story of what happened?
So finished up catfishing last Saturday. It was around 1 a.m. Headed on home. There's a sharp corner on a local road. Guy came around the corner. Definitely speeding or drunk, one of the two.
Probably, it was both.
Probably both. Well, it was both, probably. It was about 3/4 in my lane. So I cut it right real hard to miss him. Missed him. Then there was a big tree in my way. So I yanked it the other way. When I yanked it the other way, I lost it and hit a hillside and rolled.
So it happened when you went up on the embankment.
Yeah.
Of course, the idiot that, you know, caused all of this was, again, he pointed out, probably speeding, drunk, high, something along those lines. I hope that, and he left the scene, you know, like, that's not right at all, you know, like, I hope this incident haunts him, because he probably doesn't know the outcome of it. And I'm sure he probably had to have heard it, or at least seen it as he drove away, and, you know, it's just not right. So hopefully, you know, that sticks with this guy to this day and for many years to come, because it ain't right. If you guys missed the previous videos that we've done to this truck, everything that he has done to it and parts that he's invested time and money into, they survived. I have no idea how, but I mean, the headlights are good. The big beefy move bumper's still good. Of course, the big old stack has gone undamaged. How you explain that one?
It's untouchable. A nasty cat stack, nothing can touch it.
I think the only thing that was damaged was your taillights.
Yeah.
I guess I'll ask you this question now. Now that this truck is pretty much, I guess I could say done, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
What's your next plan now?
Sticking with a diesel, new gen.
So, I guess he's looking to upgrade. New gen. Moving on from a second gen on up. Not going to tell you which. But I guess you'll just have to stay tuned for that. And another thing that I noticed, let me show you guys this real quick. You know, not only is the door basically caved in, windows broke, but come to the inside, I'm still shocked as to how this airbag did not go off. I mean, so much for having them as a safety feature, right?
Yeah.
But you had your seatbelt on, I hope.
I did.
That's good. So I guess to wrap all this up, in memorial of the Dodge Cummins, I'm going to edit together a nice little piece of the best moments we've had with this truck and all the videos that I filmed prior to the accident. So enjoy. So what's up, guys? Today on my brother's Dodge Cummins, we're replacing his old crusty headlights, so it should be a fun install. Let's get to it.
What am I keeping these for?
Why not? Sell them to somebody.
Water lenses. Got water to fill up an ocean in here.
Oh, yep, I see the water. The ocean's leaking.
We got the Ram 2500 Cummins 24 valve turbo diesel. Rolling. All right, go ahead.
There it goes.
Wow.
There. There's the yellow one. Both headlights out. Time to install the new ones.
Okay, folks. We got some new headlights here.
Here, pull the big one.
Give it birth.
Brand new headlights. That looks good. Hey, is that Cummins shirt and hat make you go faster when you drive your truck?
Yeah, it's 5 horsepower, 5 horsepower, 10 horsepower there. Cummins sticker in the back window, that's plus 20.
Really?
Yeah.
So 5, 5, 10, it's 20, then 10 in the back, 30.
I thought I said 20 in the back.
That's what, okay, I messed up.
Yeah. Hey, look at them ducks! Woo! Look at them, 4 ducks, man. Yeah. Look, circling back.
Where are they at? Oh, there they go.
You get that extension cord plugged in?
No, you tell me that they're not to unplug it.
Okay.
English.
It is English.
It's temporarily setting in there right now. Running lights and halos on. Turn the main headlight on. Main headlight. That looks sweet.
Buy Cummins. Don't buy a Dakota.
It's still Mopar.
Bring that puppy back here.
What?
Okay, folks, what do you think? 8-inch tip or a 10-inch cat stack? Cat stack. A stack.
We're back
Or a stack.
for a what?
Stack.
A stack. Why so?
The tip's gone.
The tip's gone?
It's gone.
You just put it on.
8 months ago. 8 months ago.
He's deciding to upgrade to the 10-inch cat stack. See that sticker right there? Soot Life? It's probably what the whole inside of his bed's gonna look like in about 3 hours of running that thing on there. Is it fact or fiction that Paulie D made that stack by hand?
I made that one.
Crafted. I think he's dead.
The truck's dead?
Both of them.
No, it's Cummins.
Cummins don't die.
They don't die.
They just smoke worse.
They just smoke.
They just smoke till they blow up.
Roll the coal. I guess. I don't know. She's tilting.
Come on, muscles. Now how come he can do it and you can't? He's probably stronger than you.
Yeah.
Stronger than him, Paul?
He's just turning it the wrong direction.
He was what?
I was still turning it the wrong way.
The wrong direction.
For the title of the video, you gotta use the word nasty with the little stars. Then you're getting the views. That's why you don't get no views.
I get plenty of views.
You don't put the word nasty in.
If you get bored of the stack, you can just take out that angle piece and put this pipe back on.
You sure can. Yeehaw, brother. We're going to time. Got some tail lights in the back.
New tail lights.
We sure did.
Oh!
Jeez.
Higher. Go higher and lower. There you go. Keep going.
Get in there! Get in there!
Go harder. There it's coming. Keep going.
Hold on.
About halfway there.
Just keep it like that. You say halfway.
You're halfway there.
Straight down, like yes.
No, Nate, you're supposed to hit it so it loosens it up.
So like these?
Straight in. No, not like that.
So
like
like
that. Yes.
Good.
Redneck mechanics at its finest.
The elbow comes to getting it where you need it to be.
So what am I supposed to I put this.
English! English!
I ain't doing nothing.
Nate's doing nothing.
Just hit my head on his freaking toe mirrors. Tuck those things in, man. Drives with those out in the first place. Jeez.
Rest in peace, bud.
It'll never be one solid piece again.
Won't hold no water anymore.
Yeah, that's good then.
Slow and steady. Oh, there we go. And stack. And that'll be your final height. Oh, you want to go start it, huh?
All right, boys, you should be excited. You know why? Read that box. It's coming. Get ready.
What's coming?
Big old bumper.
Did they get a little preview?
They got the sneak peek of the box.
The heck you working on now?
It's bumper time.
Bumper time.
Bumper time.
So that thing's coming off?
Sure is. Ain't nobody need this. Hey, anybody wants this $50 OBO? That don't come with the horsepower. You go buy your own. I'm keeping that.
$50, our best offer for a stock bumper.
I'll sign it. I'll get it for an extra 50.
Oh man. Wow, you hear all that rust fall out of there.
Rustic start.
Remember the sneak peek in that last video? Well, there it is right there. All welded up and put together and freshly painted. Got the LED light pods in there. So as you see, his new thick with 2 C's bumper is now on this truck. What do you think of your new bumper?
It's pretty dope. It's deer proof.
Deer proof.
It's a move bumper. Makes the deer move.
Hey, so how you turn those little fancy lights on up here?
Comes with a fancy remote.
Don't they got some crazy effects on there?
They sure do.
They sure do. Let's see them, right? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, maybe there's a glitch in the system here. Looks like they're going wild. Church bells, because this truck wakes the dead. No. All right, you ready to start this video?
I guess.
You gotta act more pumped than that. It's another diesel video.
I guess so, boys.
There it is. And can't forget, Big Chungus.
Chungus. Chungus the cat stack.
You know what people have said that looked like? SpongeBob's alarm clock.
I can't remember.
I'll put in a clip right here so you'll know what it means. He got this fine PA coal that fell out of his truck. Look at that. Because this truck surely rolls some coal. Is that a good clip?
Sure.
Here, hold on. I picked it up so you can have it.
All right.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't know.
He was thinking about taking off the fender flares, but with Stance Nation, you know, you got to keep that, whatever you call that. What do you call it?
With the Stance Nation, you have to keep the what?
Isn't it like you got to keep that flush angle? Well, you could.
Stance sticks out.
Oh. I thought you were trying to keep it flush.
Nah. I have a stick out.
But you gotta make sure you gotta get that fuel, because it's not gas. Diesel fuel, right?
Yeah. Number one has to be the stack. All the attention you get from the stack. Weird look sometimes. Yeah. All in one.
Custom made by Pauly D. The nasty cat stack.
Nasty.
I'm telling you right now, I made fun of him for saying this, but he goes, you got to put the word nasty in the title to get the views. It's now the #1 viewed video on my channel.
Some big old toe mirrors.
Always.
Yeah, they fold up and down. Yeah, they do.
Well, you always run with them out, right?
Yeah, makes the truck look bigger. That 35-ton boulder, that Shacklefoot.
That big old D-ring. People were saying in the last video you got to keep your mirrors out because that's so big, right?
Yeah. Did you have to use it a few times? Yank a tree down in my buddy's yard. I actually put some boards through there to step on them and break them. Anything you want to use it for.
That just goes to prove you, it's not just for looks. It's actually functional, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got him.
Pure American sound of the Dodge Cummins.
So just how it runs, right?
The roaring of the diesel. My buddy's dad says it sounds like a triaxle. I back into his driveway.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely some of the best moments of the Dodge Cummins, and I really had a lot of fun, especially while he's owned this truck. And very more fun moments are yet to come, you know, with the next build, with the next truck. We'll see what he decides to go with. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Any last words for the Dodge?
Remember, Cummins don't die. I was hanging upside down and it was still purring, boys.
He had to turn the truck off while, was it on the roof?
It was on the roof.
And he had to turn it off and it was still running, which is pretty crazy. So that just goes to show you, Cummins don't die. And I guess I'll just leave you guys with the usual, always accelerate and don't look back, because even though negative stuff like this happens, which is very unfortunate, you just gotta keep moving forward, power through. Better things are yet to come. So wish my brother the best of luck. You know, it's again, very negative thing to happen. But just got to look for the positive and keep moving forward. So I guess I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please subscribe, like to show us some support, leave your comments down below, the whole 9 yards. So I guess I'll just say it again because it really means a lot in this video. So always accelerate and don't look back. We'll catch you guys in the next one.